In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Monday.com. We've all been there. You update a board, change a status, or delete something, and then realize it was a mistake. The good news is that Monday.com has a built-in way to roll back many of those changes using the activity log. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for whenever you need to undo an action. First, start by opening the project, or board, where you made the change you want to undo. Make sure you're on the correct board, because the undo options you'll see are specific to that board's history. Once the board is open and fully loaded, take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right set of items and groups, especially if you work across multiple projects. Next, look towards the top area of the screen for the highlighted area that opens additional board options. Depending on your layout or screen size, this might appear as a small icon or as text, but it will be near the board name and other view options. Click on this highlighted section to reveal more tools and settings related to your board. From that menu, you'll see an option labeled Activity Log. Go ahead and click on Activity Log. This is where Monday.com keeps a detailed history of what's been happening on your board. You'll see a timeline of actions such as status changes, item creations, deletions, and edits, along with who performed them and when. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the exact change you want to undo. Being precise here is important, especially on busy boards with lots of updates. Once you find the specific action you want to reverse, look to the right side of that entry. You should see an undo option associated with that action. Click on Undo to revert that change. Monday.com will then roll back that specific update, restoring the previous value or bringing back an item, depending on what the action was. After you've clicked Undo, look back at your board to confirm that the change has been reverted the way you expected. If needed, you can return to the activity log and review other entries, but always double-check that you're undoing the correct action so you don't unintentionally revert something important. And that's it. By using the activity log and the undo option, you can safely correct mistakes and keep your Monday.com boards accurate and up to date.